What's up guys, Ackeem Sterling here. So in this video I'm going to do the unboxing and review of these gloves right here. So this is basically the winter gloves, and this thing that I love about this gloves right here, because it can also access your mobile phone while you're using it. It's pretty warm, so it basically looking something like this. So as you can see, the quality is very thick, feel very durable. So as you can see right here, we have it very grippable, so you can use whether you're cycling, whether you're outdoor driving and things like that. So it's looking pretty neat. So this is basically the small. So I'm just gonna try it on right now to let you guys see how it basically fits. So as you can see right here, there's a zip where you can zip it out before you can access the inside, so that basically fit more wider. So I'm put it on right now. Feel pretty comfortable, as you guys can see right here. So we can basically zip this back. It's gonna fit on your hand perfect. Feel pretty warm and comfortable. I'm gonna try this one right now. And the thing that I love about this, guys, you can access your mobile phone with this right here, because as you can see, this finger right here, which is different from all of them. You can access your mobile phone by touching and dialing while using these gloves right here. You don't have to worry about taking off your gloves whenever you want to answer a call and things like that. So looking pretty neat, as you can see right here, guys. Very comfortable, very neat, and yeah, I'm loving these gloves right here. Pretty warm,